Are you in the dumpster rental or junk removal business? If so, you probably know by now that a clean truck goes a long way to say a lot about your brand. In this video, we're gonna show you guys how in just about 30 minutes, we're able to pressure wash this truck down, and then in about another 15 minutes, get this thing completely quick waxed so it's clean and ready to rock and roll. You guys do this thing once a week. Not only is it gonna take care of your equipment, you're really gonna stand out in your local communities by hopefully having the cleanest trucks in town. Let me know in the comments below, how often are you washing your trucks? Where do you live? Do you get winter half the year like we do? Or are you in a nice sunshine state where it's pretty mild year round? Makes a big difference. Keeping the salt off of these trucks, being 120, 130,000, you can already see this truck's only got about 30,000 miles on it, and it's already starting to get some rust, and that's with us washing them every week. So I'm interested to know, guys, I wanna grow this community. I wanna hear from you. Put a comment down below. Where are you washing your trucks? Is it at a car wash? Is it at your own shop? Is it in your backyard? You got to improvise. That's what I did when I first started out years ago. I was washing them in my backyard, and then I had to wash them in a truck wash for years until we got this shop built. So interested to hear about that. I've had a few people reach out to ask if we're still doing the coaching calls, the one-on-one calls. If you're looking to grow, scale your dumpster rental or junk removal or your residential trash business, we still do that. We don't talk about it a lot, but we still service 650 clients residentially every single week. There's a link in every single YouTube video that's active right now. We built our own little website where you can go on, book a call. There's 3 different types of calls that you can book. So if you guys are looking for that resource, it is back available now. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So that's how we clean our trucks, guys. Not a huge process, very simple to do and extremely cheap from a cost perspective. If you've got some water and you've got a little bit of spray wax, you can buy it at any auto parts store, and a couple microfiber rags. You can keep your trucks looking fresh and clean every single week. Hey guys, real quick, we would not be able to land jobs like this if it wasn't for a CRM housing all of our products, our customer information, a place to send out quotes. Where do we do that, you might ask? It's a software called Jobber, and I'm excited to bring to you right now, Jobber is offering a free 2-week trial. All you gotta do is fill out the link in the description below, pop your email in there, give it a try. If you like it, they're giving a 6-month discounted rate when you use our link. This software has done everything for our business, from job cost averaging to learn more about our profits, to being able to adjust our costs on the fly, sending out a Google review as soon as you send an invoice to a customer, which is huge. Reviews are your reputation. So do yourself a favor, give it a try, link in the description below. If you guys like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.